I've had a breakdown, a bit of a breakdown. Was very homesick. There was nothing that they could do. There was nothing I could do. I just needed to get through it. So for a day, I was the sponge, and I was like sobbing, and I haven't been to a poetry session as well, so I haven't been feeling inspired. So that on top of it, and I was missing my friends at home, and I was missing my mom. But then, I mean, I realized too that, it's something that's probably going to happen once in a blue moon. And I've accepted it. So if it happens, it happens. And if it doesn't, I just need to make the most of it. And so I did. I got up and I made that list. And this Sunday is the first thing that is just that I want to do, that I'll be doing. But thank God for Skype, and Facebook. So Skyping with them does help a lot, Like, in as much as I can't just take a plane and get there tomorrow, but, I can see them. And sometimes I even ask them, what's for dinner? May I see the pots? May I see the pots? May I see the bathrooms again? And the lounge, may I see the passageway, may I see my baby sister sleeping. So all these small things, But I mean, I'll get over it. I do get over it. And like you guys advised us, so long as we have activities that we can do and that we can look forward to. What my host mother did, she did something so great because she saw me crying and she couldn't sleep. So she woke up in the middle of the night and she went on the internet to look for activities that I could do during the day here. Because I can't really go to school during the day because I've only got about 2 hours of free time, or 2.5 hours. And the college that I will be enrolling in later on, maybe this month, is about a 45-minute drive without traffic away from where I drop off the boys. So it's a bit tricky, I might have to do evening classes or afternoon classes once I do enroll in that college, So I would need something to occupy my 2.5 hours in the morning, especially. So she looked up so many things. So I'll be starting, it's like a fitness class next week, Monday. I'll be starting a fitness class with a bunch of probably stay-at-home moms. But I mean, it's something. And a lot of the time I cycle. She also found me this beautiful organization of women. They actually make all these phenomenal things that would appear on Pinterest, So I emailed them yesterday. I asked them, what I would need to do if I want to join. So I'm just waiting for a response, and then once that's set up, I'll just start that handcrafts thing with them. I was just telling my host mom, I love doing beadwork. I did beadwork for years. My one grandmother taught me how to do beadwork. So it would be so awesome to go back to that and occupy my time, teach the girls something as well, teach Alana how to do some arts and crafts here at home, especially for the winter.